Here is how to change your name and username on TikTok. First, you need to go ahead and launch the TikTok application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. Now tap on your profile in the bottom right corner of your screen to go to your profile section. And from here, go ahead and select edit that is beside your name. This will take you to this kind of interface where you can go ahead and change your name and username both. First, let's go ahead and change the name. So tap on name. Remove the previous username and set a new one. Then tap on save in the top right corner of your screen and tap on confirm. Now also note that you can only change your name again after 7 days. Now let's go ahead and change the username. Once you've done that, tap on save in the top right corner, and also note that you can change your username once every 30 days. So changing your username will also change your profile link. Tap on save in the top right corner. Now tap on set username to confirm, and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. This is how you can go ahead and change your name and username on TikTok. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.